Welcome, we are at Domaine Gros, frere et Soeur in Vaune-Romanée, the vineyard of my uncle Bernard. And we will now just follow the arrival of the grapes directly from the vineyard of Clos Vougeot Musini Grand Cru. And we will see the sorting out of the grapes, the selection of the grapes and the descent. And we will be very quiet, not to disturb the workers. At the back of the table on the right, you will see my cousine Gros, which is managing the team in the winery. This is a moving table. Remove all what is nourishment and not good state of sanitary for the grapes. And then all is steamed. And then again a selection. So to sum up, 3 sorting out, 1 in the vineyard, 1 on the table, and the last one after this steam. And then the back are put into different cuves in the winery before cold maceration, pressing, and finally going into new barrel for an élevage. We will see that in upcoming video. Thank you.